un albero, Dio. Guardate che disastro.
On the 2nd of June 2026, a powerful outbreak of severe thunderstorms swept across northern Italy, unleashing destructive hail, torrential rainfall, damaging winds, flash flooding, and widespread disruption across multiple regions. From Emilia-Romagna and Lombardy to Piedmont, residents witnessed some of the most intense weather conditions of the season as violent storm cells rapidly developed after days of extreme heat. The Emilia-Romagna region was among the hardest hit. In Correggio, medium-sized hailstones pounded the area around 4 p.m., with several neighborhoods reporting significant impacts. Similar hailstorms were observed across Carpi, Fabbrico, Reggiolo, Rollo, Cavezzo, Mirandola, Concordia, Sulla, Secchia, and other communities throughout the Modena and Reggio Emilia plains. Videos captured by residents showed roads covered in hail as powerful thunderstorm cells moved eastward across the region. Near Camposanto, in the province of Modena, severe weather brought intense rainfall and hail, while in Carpi, more than 40 millimeters of rain fell within a short period. Temperatures plunged dramatically by approximately 12 degrees Celsius, dropping to around 17 degrees Celsius as the storm intensified. Meteorologists described the event as a highly energetic storm system capable of producing large hail, destructive wind gusts, and torrential downpours.
Tempesta, lì gli scacchi.
Further east, conditions deteriorated rapidly across Ferrara province. Flooding was reported in Cento after hours of intense thunderstorms. Massive storm clouds approached Renazzo before advancing towards Cento, bringing heavy rain and the threat of hail. In Corporeno, hail mixed with rain was reported as the storm complex continued to strengthen. At approximately 6:20 p.m., a large tree collapsed onto part of the Ferrara-Porto-Garibaldi motorway connector near Kona, creating hazardous driving conditions and traffic disruptions. Meanwhile, residents in Valenia and coastal communities such as Lido degli Scacchi and Lido di Pomposa faced relentless rainfall, strong winds, and rapidly deteriorating conditions. One of the most significant impacts occurred in San Pietro in Casale, where an intense downburst struck during the evening. The violent wind event caused severe damage to a residential building, uprooted numerous trees, and disrupted traffic along the A13 Bologna-Padova motorway. Similar destructive winds were reported across the Bassa Bolognese area and eastern Ferrara, where thunderstorms produced a dangerous combination of hail, torrential rain, and powerful wind gusts. The severe weather extended beyond Emilia-Romagna. In Lombardy, The communities of Cermide e Falonica, particularly the Moglia area, experienced a damaging hailstorm that residents described as one of the strongest of the day. Reports from Riverata indicated devastating hail damage that affected property, agriculture, and vehicles. In Piedmont, the situation became increasingly dangerous. Montanaro was hit by extraordinary rainfall rates exceeding 300 millimeters per hour at peak intensity. Streets transformed into raging torrents, causing widespread flooding and transportation disruptions. Wind gusts, approaching 100 kilometers per hour, further intensified the emergency. Elsewhere in Piedmont, powerful storms impacted Borgo Revel, San Januario, Robella d'Asti, Crescentino, and Novara. A supercell thunderstorm developed over the Langhe region and struck Belvedere Langhe with hailstones measuring approximately 2 to 4 centimeters in diameter. The storm posed a serious threat to crops, vehicles, and buildings across the affected area. The outbreak followed a prolonged period of unusually hot weather across northern Italy. As cooler air collided with the accumulated heat and moisture, explosive thunderstorm development occurred, producing a dangerous mix of giant storm clouds, intense lightning, flash flooding, damaging winds, and hail. Emergency services across multiple provinces responded to fallen trees, flooded roads, damaged homes, and transportation disruptions as communities assessed the aftermath. The severe weather outbreak serves as another reminder of the growing frequency of extreme weather events affecting Italy, where rapid transitions from intense heat to violent storms are becoming increasingly common. Authorities continue monitoring conditions as residents begin cleanup efforts following a day marked by some of the most dramatic weather scenes witnessed across northern Italy in recent months.